The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is coming with upgrades that'll make Samsung fans cheer and maybe groan a little. A bigger cover screen? Finally! But a controversial chip swap? Oh boy, let's break it all down. Cover screen upgrade. First, the news flip phone lovers have waited for. After years of playing it safe, Samsung's finally enlarging the Z Flip 7's cover display from 3.66 inches to a full 4 inches. Leaked One UI 6.1 icons confirm it, but here's the catch. Motorola's Razr Plus still dominates with app support. Can Samsung catch up? Design and display. The upgrades don't stop there. That infamous crease? Nearly invisible now, thanks to a redesigned hinge. The Flip 7's also taller and wider, with slimmer bezels for a cleaner look. And, unlike the Z Fold 7's obsession with thinness, the Flip 7 keeps its 6.9mm profile, but for good reason. Battery and charging. Samsung used that space wisely. A bigger battery. At just 100 mAh smaller than the Fold 7's, that's impressive for a phone half its size. But charging? Still stuck at 25 watts. In 2025, when rivals are hitting 45 watts, oof. Processor drama. Now for the plot twist. Early leaks promised Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Now, rumors say Exynos 2500 in some regions. Why? Probably cost-cutting. While Exynos isn't slow, it might trail behind Motorola's Snapdragon-powered Razr. Deja vu, anyone? Camera and compromises. Camera fans, brace yourselves. That 12-mega ultra-wide from the Flip 5 and 6? Still here. Samsung upgraded the main sensor last year, but in 2025, this feels lazy. Meanwhile, the Z Fold 7 gets all the camera love. So, bigger screen, better battery, but chip and camera letdowns. Worth upgrading? Hit like if you're excited, comment if you're disappointed, and for all the Z Fold 7's wild upgrades, click here. Your move, Samsung.